I ordered the latest model of the Insta360 camera, and the names have gotten so long I can't remember. I'm recording this on an Insta360 1X, and the camera that I ordered is the Insta360 1X 1-inch 360 or something. I don't remember. I ordered it at the end of June. It shipped from China on June 29, and it got here today, which is July 5th. It notes that it's got explosive batteries, and it has an easy open strip right here. Huh. And it comes in a box. Please tear here. It's the 1-inch 360 edition. I ordered it from a link on some guy's YouTube site, and I got a free accessory by ordering it from him. And the free accessory is a selfie stick. I don't know how long I've had the 1X, and I have never used it with a selfie stick. So I will see how that works out. This is wrapped in cellophane. And you wonder why I carry a pocket knife. Show you the box, and it tells me what's in the box. So this comes in four parts. It has the lens, the core, the vertical battery base, and a mounting bracket, along with a lens cap and a, oops, stuff is blowing away that I don't want to blow away. Sorry. So let's see how hard this is to get out. Yes. So there it is, already broken. No, it's not. It's not broken. I don't know what this is. lens cleaning cloth, quick start guide, a sticker. And now I find the lens cap. I don't know what this is. So I don't know what that is. Maybe I'll find out. And silica gel. I'm never going to use the sticker. I don't think I'll ever use the quick start guide, the warranty card, and the lens cleaning cloth. Now this is a USB-C socket. I've watched YouTube videos, so I know all about this already. You have a piece of plastic over that, a piece of plastic over each lens, which I hope helped protect it when I dropped it. There goes my warranty. This lens. This piece of plastic. I don't know what that's for, so I assume I'll find out someday. So I think I've gotten all the clear plastic off. Let's see if I get power. Yes. So I'm going to turn it back off. Maybe I'm not going to turn it back off. There we go. No SD card detected. My word. So this gets removed, this gets removed, and this gets removed. If I had reading glasses, I could read what these things say. Please open the USB cover before disassembling. So this is the USB cover. Let me put this back on. Press in on these two buttons. So this is the lens. This is the core. And this is the battery. Charge the battery before use. When disconnected from the core, the battery can only be charged with a USB-A to USB-C battery cable. So they can only be connected one way. This is where you can attach an external mic, which I don't have and I'll never use. And apparently this doesn't matter how you reconnect it. Tripod, USB socket, and the case. This piece of paper says push the lock buttons at the top to disassemble. And this says charge the battery. I've already read that. Now you know how to put this back in because you need the USB-C socket to be under here. And I can't get it to latch. Oh, I have to press it in. There we go. Now it's locked and that latches. I'm going to remove this sticker. And this remains a mystery. So maybe the quick start guide tells me. No, doesn't. So let's take it apart again, push in here and here. And I have no clue. Time to go to Reddit and figure it out. The concern I have is this distance here. On the 1X that I'm recording on, it's very slim. I'll show you in another video, or in this video, but with another camera, which allows the stitching line to disappear. And I'll do an experiment to see how well that works. From the videos I've seen on YouTube, this stitching line does not disappear. So we'll have to see. I still can't figure out what the heck that is. Oh well. And other issue is, where does the SD card go? And I don't see a place for an SD card. Oh. Goes there. Goes in the bottom of the core. Can you imagine a less convenient place for your SD card slot? Oy vey. Ordinarily, I like to have an SD card slot available. Oops, I think I'm recording. I can't be because I don't have a card in it. So I don't know what the blinking lights are for. The quick start guide is that. So I'll have to figure out how you turn this sucker off. Back to the SD card. This is a real aggravation to me. I like to have an SD card in a location where I don't have to take the device off a tripod or monopod. My 1X is on a monopod now, and the slot for the SD card is in the bottom, and I have to take it off the tripod to change out the SD card. So this is well, maybe it's not, I don't know. I'll have to see whether it's worse or not. Oops, got it in backwards. The screen has to be here. Press in to lock it, and then latch that. Ooh, what am I doing? This is the power switch, and power is on, and it's telling me I don't have an SD card, which is true. So let's see if I can turn it off. There it goes. Okay, so now it's off. Gonna have to read the manual. Oi. And I don't understand the purpose of these two things. But we'll shoot a video in a day or two that demonstrates whatever the differences are between the 1X and this with the 1-inch sensor. People are raving about the improved quality, so we'll see. But this is the unboxing, and that's the end of the unboxing.